I've been cut off from my body probably most of my life. I nearly died as a child, and any strong emotion would cause me to cough and pass out. I've been doing this for a week,
Mhm.
and I've noticed big differences already. Just having your body walk itself is incredible.
So today, and I've experienced this since I've been working with you, but today I'm just reminded of how much I relied on my muscles to
Yeah.
get me through life and never, ever, ever, ever thought about the skeleton ever or the deep internal parts. And so it's really new, but it feels really nurturing. So that is supportive for me that feels really supportive.
Your essential sensing posture. How you sense yourself is you sense the stability of yourself, the wholeness of yourself, your access to the whole system and not parts. You're looking to ground yourself to connect to gravity. So to move through space, you play with gravity and you coordinate with it. A lot of times we're just fighting it. And in fact, people talk about that, fighting gravity. Why do that? You're never going to win. It's way stronger than you. So you collaborate, you bring it on board, and that's when that magic happens. Like, I'm not doing it. How did it happen so fast? All of those questions are answered when you understand the design of your body and you start to work with your body instead of trying to dominate it or tell it what it needs to do or try to fix something or try to keep releasing a muscle. But if you could start to think about it differently, you start to shift the way you look at solutions when it comes to your own system, which means your own internal experience, which means what motivates your external actions and interactions, which means how you listen to things. When you're able to listen with the whole of yourself, from the depth of yourself, you're literally letting yourself be touched by what someone says, by their vibration. You're receiving that at a really deep level. You're organizing yourself to receive that. To listen to that degree is a huge gift because it's a generous way to be in the presence of someone else.